With Valentine's coming up, what's in the box? Lovely gift idea. Obviously with this one, it's quite hard to tell you guys what's inside because you can see, but the quality and feel. There's something about this tin and these clips. I just love the sound and the action. Ready? Listen to this. Oh, that is so nice. And they're roller. And then when they clip, ready? Listen to this. Okay, I'll stop now. Lovely sleeve. Now the tin. Ooh, that was a nice sound. Quality. Now when we go inside here. This just looks quality, guys, from the onset. All right, let's take the scissors out first. Wow. That is beautiful. Number 7 men on there. That's rubberized. So they put molten rubber solution on there. Basically, when it comes to manufacturing, they just dip it in, take it out, and the rubber sticks to the metal. That is beautiful. That just feels so nice on your hand. And I'm thinking that's their theme. Lovely nail clippers. Again, rubberized for grip, quality and feel. That is so good. Little bit of texture here on the metal. Minimum design for hanging. Single rivet. Top quality. Now, your pair of tweezers. These are probably the best tweezers I've seen. Wow. Fab. And then you've got our sanding nail file. Fantastic. So one side is fairly, I would say that's medium, not fine, and that's a little bit more coarse. So there you go, guys. Fantastic gift idea. Get rid of that one. For the man in your life, with Valentine's coming up, this would make birthday, Valentine's, fantastic gift for a man. I definitely love this gift. Take all this away. I know this is top quality. I love this tin as well. Oh. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I've got carried away. Catch you on another video real soon. You can tell I love this gift. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.